When it comes to heat-resistant gloves, nothing comes close to grill armor. These gloves will protect you from temperatures up to 932 degrees when you're grilling, cooking, and baking. It's like a typical oven mitt put on a suit of armor. That's thanks to aramid, a material similar to Kevlar that is used in flame-resistant and heat-protective clothing. And it's how this pair of gloves can go into a dangerously hot oven, and a waterproof pair can withstand boiling water without your hands feeling a thing. A non-slip silicone coating means you won't worry about fumbles when you're using the oven or cooking on the stovetop, or when you need them to do the heat-shielding job outside of the kitchen, like around a grill or fireplace. Extra safety is always a must-have around heat, and you can't beat the protection of grill armor gloves.